Upgrade your home network with seamless speed and reliable coverage. The best home router for wireless ensures smooth streaming, lag-free gaming, and strong connections throughout every room. Experience unmatched performance and easy setup for all your devices today. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. TP-Link AX1800 Wireless Router. The TP-Link AX1800 wireless router is a standout choice for those looking to upgrade their home network with reliable, high-speed Wi-Fi. Utilizing Wi-Fi 6 technology, this router delivers faster speeds and better efficiency compared to previous generations, allowing multiple devices to operate smoothly at the same time. With a total bandwidth of 1.8 Gbps, 1200 Mbps on the 5 GHz band, and 574 Mbps on the 2.4 GHz band, it handles streaming, gaming, video calls, and large downloads with ease. Its advanced OFDMA technology allows the router to communicate with multiple devices simultaneously, reducing congestion and keeping the network responsive even in busy households. Signal strength and coverage are enhanced by 4 high-gain antennas, beamforming technology, and an advanced front-end module chipset, ensuring that devices far from the router still receive a strong, stable connection. The AX1800 also comes with a built-in VPN server, supporting OpenVPN and PPTP, offering an added layer of privacy for users who require secure remote access. Cybersecurity is a priority, as the router is designed in alignment with the U.S. Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency's Secure by Design pledge.
Number 2. TP-Link Archer Wireless Router. The TP-Link Archer wireless router is engineered for the future, featuring cutting-edge Wi-Fi 7 technology that makes it suitable for the latest devices and high-demand applications. With multi-link operation (MLO), 4K QAM, multi-RUs, it optimizes data transfer, reducing latency and improving stability for gaming, streaming, and large downloads. This dual-band router delivers an impressive total bandwidth of 6.5 gigabits per second, including up to 5,764 megabits on the 5 GHz band and 688 megabits on the 2.4 GHz band, providing high-speed connectivity across multiple devices simultaneously. With 6 high-performance antennas and beamforming technology, the Archer router offers coverage up to 2,400 square feet and supports up to 90 connected devices, making it ideal for large households or home offices. Wired connections are equally fast, with a 2.5 gigabit per second WAN LAN port, an additional 2.5 gigabit per second LAN port, and 3 1 gigabit per second LAN ports, allowing multi-gig internet plans to operate at full speed. Security is robust, with TP-Link following the U.S. CISA Secure by Design pledge, ensuring advanced protection for all connected devices. Multi-link operation allows simultaneous data transmission across frequency bands.
Number 3. NETGEAR Nighthawk Wireless Router. The NETGEAR Nighthawk wireless router is designed to provide powerful Wi-Fi 7 performance for homes that demand speed and reliability. Delivering up to 3.6 Gbps, it handles high bandwidth tasks such as 4K streaming, online gaming, video conferencing, and large file transfers without compromising performance. Compared to Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7 offers up to 1.2 times faster speeds and a more efficient device management, allowing multiple users to stay connected simultaneously. Its sleek, compact design houses high-performance antennas capable of covering up to 2,000 square feet, making it suitable for mid to large homes. The router includes a 2.5 gig internet port, supporting multi-gig internet plans, though it does require a separate modem as it is not a modem-router combination. Security features are built into the device to protect users from cyber threats, with firmware updates ensuring continued protection over time. Setup is straightforward, with user-friendly apps and web interfaces, guiding even novice users through installation and configuration. The Nighthawk also provides stable and consistent connectivity, ensuring minimal buffering during streaming and uninterrupted gameplay. Its combination of speed, range, and robust security makes it a reliable solution for modern households, accommodating multiple devices without slowing down performance.
Number 4. GL.iNet Wireless Router. The GL.iNet Wireless Router offers a versatile and secure networking solution for users who prioritize speed and flexibility. With both WireGuard and OpenVPN support, it delivers VPN speeds up to 680 Mbps, providing secure connections for streaming, gaming, or remote work. Its AdGuard home integration enables blocking ads and trackers, giving users greater control over their browsing experience. The router is capable of handling more than 100 connected devices, making it suitable for large households or small offices. Advanced features such as multi-link operation, MLO, enhanced OFDMA, 4K QAM, and preamble puncturing reduce latency and improve reliability, especially in dense networking environments. Coverage extends up to 2,000 square feet, ensuring strong and consistent signal throughout the home. Parental controls with integrated bark support allow easy management of online safety, filtering websites, and enforcing usage limits for children. Setup is simple with video tutorials and web-based administration, providing step-by-step guidance for users. The router also allows tech-savvy users to install additional plugins and customize features according to their needs, offering flexibility that many standard routers do not provide. Its combination of fast speeds, advanced security, broad coverage, and ease of management makes the GL.iNet wireless router a solid choice for users who want a reliable and feature-rich device.
Number 5. NETGEAR 2.5 Gig Wireless Router. The NETGEAR 2.5 Gig Wireless Router is designed to deliver high-speed Wi-Fi 7 performance across modern households, offering blazing speeds up to 5.0 gigabits per second. Ideal for gaming, streaming, video conferencing, and large downloads, it ensures multiple devices can operate simultaneously without network slowdowns. Unlike a modem router combo, this device requires a separate cable modem, but its advanced antennas provide coverage up to 2,250 square feet, ensuring strong connectivity throughout large homes. Equipped with a 2.5 gig internet port, it supports multi-gig internet plans and allows high-speed wired connections. Additional 1 gig Ethernet LAN ports provide options for fast, stable wired connections to other devices. Wi-Fi 7 technology ensures low latency, increased throughput, and faster connections compared to Wi-Fi 6, making it suitable for homes with high bandwidth demands. Its sleek, compact design blends easily into any home environment without compromising performance. Security is built into the device, protecting connected devices and user data while offering peace of mind for families and professionals alike. Setup is user-friendly, with intuitive web and app-based interfaces that guide users through installation and network management. Overall, the NETGEAR 2.5 gig wireless router combines speed, wide coverage, and security in a single package, making it an ideal choice for households looking to future-proof their home network while maintaining fast and reliable connectivity for multiple devices simultaneously. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.